I just wanted to make a quick video on machining Lamello Tenso connectors on your 3-axis CNC. I've seen this pop up a few times in the group and was curious on how good it was. Nobody really talked about if it worked or not, in application. Obviously you can drill it on the machine, but does it work? We're using the 5-axis bit directly from Lamello, or Colonial Saw here in the US. The actual tool pathing works perfectly fine. You'll see from the video here that it drills in and out, makes a clean slot. The actual engagement of the P connector to the wood is significantly less. Because of the tool path having to come straight down, across, and then back out, I think the down and the out are a little too wide for the connectors. So basically the connector is only engaging with like the bottom, maybe third, I don't know the exact number, or percentage I guess. Because it's only engaging with the bottom, it's putting a lot more stress on a small area of the actual substrate that you're going into. It doesn't affect the holding power of the Tenso itself, because that's within the connector to connector relationship, and as long as those are mated correctly, it doesn't change that. It doesn't really change its ability to hold the wood, but it does change how likely it is to blow the wood out. The only time this has become an issue where in our testing is when you're going to remove the fittings, if it's drilled close to the edge. In our example here, we use this mostly on Lamello flush fillers. When you're drilling close to the edge here, when this is not edge banded and there's a lot of stress on it, it does tend to blow these edges out. So I intentionally made one that's unedge banded close to the edge to kind of show you what that blowout looks like. And that's on particle board in this situation. If you use MDF, plywood, something a little more dense, it's less likely to blow out. And of course, if you edge band it, it's significantly stronger as well. But I just kind of wanted everybody to understand that it could blow out a lot more than with an actual Tenso connector.